This thing is some Terminator looking stuff. This is the government trying to watch you, the German government. They're trying to rise back up. And then you got the front camera as well. There's no badging, it says Porsche. This is the back porch. See what's going on back here. Look at these thick boys. It's mostly plastic though, German engineering.
No kidding.
Oh shit, yo!
It's orange.
Got the race car spare. Look at this, airless. Yo, what is going on with that? That's on rails, literally. Holy. Oh, we got the old scissor jack in here, classic. I don't even want to read all that, so sorry to hear that or glad that happened. All right, get that out of here. I'm sorry I wasn't speeding Officer Red. Go on in the back seat. This looks like a nice spot to be if your grandma's taking you to work. Pretty nice leather, got the bows on there. Very expensive plastic. I mean, it's cheap, but it's Porsche, so it's expensive. Got this carbon fiber. This makes it weigh about 3 ounces less. Got the heated seats back here. That's pretty bomb. Look at this. Wrinkled up and ready to rock. That's what we're talking about, baby. Got the off-matched seat belts, so the officers know when you're wearing them or not. The insignia embossed on the seat. That's pretty nice. I'm 6'2". I'd be squeezing in there. Not too great. That I thought was gonna be a TV, but that's just some cheap shit right there. Besides that, you'd think it was a Volkswagen.
You're wrong.
All right, up front, passenger seat, you called shotgun. This is what it's all about. You got the 1, 2, 3 different seat settings. Love that. Oh, there's the name. You can finally read what's going on in here. The Macan, the Moroccan-esque. Electric seat, she ain't plugged in. Got some more carbon fiber here. I'm guessing that's where the airbag is. So the carbon fiber just explodes in your face and the random fibers. That should protect you. Over here we got the old automatic stick. At least it's not a dial. You can respect that. Got some business
Chef,
cards.
Would you like me to do the steering wheel test?
The steering wheel test? Oh yeah, let's see what we got going on there. Oh, telescoping?
All right.
Nice,
so
nice. That's
down,
NASA telescope technology.
With these quality shifters.
Oh, they don't click though. That's, I mean, my Logitech G3 whatever numbers does way better than that.
So let's.
Is that 150 mile an hour max? Yo, not in my country. It's not. Get out of here.
No horn and
Oh yeah, the quality test. The old, oh, it's electric. It's electric. Rip.
It's not bad.
Oh, I'm seeing a little weave in imperfection here. We're going this way and this way in some of the cross hatching. That is not quality. They got to step that up. Got some stuff going on here. Still got the sticker, didn't even put it on. This is nice though. It's a nice glove box. I would definitely be putting my isotoners in here. That's quality. The nice clock here. This is probably straight out of Bugatti. It's not bad. It's not bad. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'd give this a bratwurst 7. It's okay. Turbo 4matic. We have to change what automatic means so you think it's a little cooler. Look at these wheels. These look like bead lock, but they're not. They're kind of weird. I like the big brakes though. You got to stop this burly beast. Got some tire spray on the wheel. That's the dealership special. Not too many fingerprints on this one like the other ones. Clearly not as sought after. Let's check inside. Ooh, this is a downgrade from Porsche. This doesn't even look like fake carbon fiber. I don't know what they're going for on that one. Got the heated seats, the memory, just like the Porsche AMG. This probably lights up. They didn't plug it in for me, so I'm not gonna know. Let's get inside. Definitely less comfortable than the Porsche, I gotta say. Again, the fake carbon fiber got a little more swoosh to it. This is a much weirder and worse glove box design. It is not felt lined. It is German stickers though, so extra points on that. There's a button in here. I don't know what that does, but I just pressed it 3 times. Hopefully it's not a fuel cutoff switch, but we'll figure that out. See what's going on here. Oh, just a little rubber thing. It has a part number if you lost it. Parking brake's a button. I hate it. How do you change gears? Got the volume knob. Literally no idea how you change gears. Oh, the old stock, the old Crown Vic style. All right, but the big old sticker, we'll leave that on there. Look at this. It's a super long tablet style. I'm sure that'll break in about 5 years. I do like the vents with the painted surrounding on it, just like the Fiats have.
I hope you're not.
Let's check out the driver's seat. The German doors don't feel like German doors anymore. I just got to point that out. Wow, the driver's seat feels better. Oh yeah, we got the We got the, oh man, I got thick legs going on. That's a parking brake. I hate it. I kind of like how the button comes out straight though. That's a little mesmerizing. I do like the steering wheel. A lot of buttons going on here. So when you're driving, you know exactly what you're pressing, even though the whole fucking thing is one button. Look at this. Look at this. Is it like touch sensor? If that's a button, you're dead, bro. You're like turning up the volume and all of a sudden you're setting cruise control to 300. You don't even know. I hope there's a screen on here. Probably ripped that right off of Logitech. Got the AMG flat bottom. It's pretty nice. I'll give it that. I'll give it that. Got exposed screws. Got to clean that up in the AMG model. This is a really cheap looking knob here. Not too impressed with that. Matching colored seat belts. Porsche got your game beat. Ooh, look at this sticker. Check this sticker out. What are they saying? You got to like fist over the door handle to load it to your car carrier. I'm sure this scenario comes up a lot with your AMG ownership. This like Sennheiser? I don't even know. That's kind of interesting. Look inside the door. You put your cup at a 45-degree angle because that's how everyone stores their open Dunkin', because you probably can't afford Starbucks with a car like this. 24 miles a gallon. Could do better. Back seats, you got the fishnets for the night out. Not as nice as the Porsche. No embossed headrests. They gotta step this up. They're not competing very well. You could put your kids back here though. Very nice latches for your baby seat. I do appreciate that. Everything else is just pretty mediocre, not gonna lie. I'm gonna give Porsche the dub on this one. Check out back. Oh, it's locked. Never mind. All right. Chef rating for this one, I'm gonna give it 4 schnitzels. It ain't got it. It ain't got it. Thank you all for checking out Lehigh Valley Auto Show. Want to see some more content? Click right here.